Alright, we're out here for a night trip. Got fish goods, rods. And my cousin Will got an invite. Going for some striped bass, blues, and whatever else for us. Get back at you. Have the camera on, bro.
I have mine on. Don't worry, David.
Nice one, bro. No, that's definitely a keeper, bro.
Look at that.
Measuring tape.
Oh, you got your bump board for it?
No, I didn't bring it. Well, you got your bump board? Fish with it.
Oh, yeah.
You got a 30-inch.
31.
Nice.
31.
Huh? Nice 31-incher.
Right there.
Good job, my brother.
Thank you, bro.
Way to go. Fish goods in the house.
Oh, you got it, man. You got it.
Thanks, guys.
Nice one, brother.
Go, fish.
Now you snagged them.
It's like about good
Yeah, Scooty.
15, 9, 12 maybe. Fucking Scooty.
Wow. Oh, it's bigger than the one I caught.
Right there, brothers.
He's on there. Yeah, he's on there. Yeah, he got him.
It's small.
Small fish. Better turn your spotlight on.
So far, everybody got on fish today, right? Right for, yeah, I got on the fish today, right?
Nope, nothing.
Nothing yet. What you got?
A small fish, a croaker.
Orgy.
Spotted croaker.
No,
at somebody
croaker.
else's line.
Croaker. You got a croaker. Yep.
Oh,
That's a big spot, though. That's a big spot.
That's a bogey or something.
You right here, bro. Spot croaker.